Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we shall know how the snake can move without limbs. How the snake can move so easily without limbs. Those who are new to our channel, we are requesting them to subscribe this channel so that they can get the notifications of such interesting and true facts through our videos. Now, let's start today's video. How the snake can move so easily, so freely through any type of surfaces like water, like trees, or like on land. Snakes are fascinating creatures renowned for their ability to glide and slither with remarkable agility, all without the presence of their limbs. Snakes can move with agility. Agility means movability, and they can do such activity without any limbs. This extraordinary movement is made possible by a unique combination of their muscular structure and specialized scales on their body. At the core of snake's movement lies its incredibly flexible spine, which is composed of hundreds of vertebrae. In this image, we can see the actual structure of the spine of a snake, and this type of spine, this type of structure of bones is made of hundreds of vertebrae. Vertebrae means structure of bone. These vertebrae are connected by ligaments and are surrounded by strong muscles that allow the snake to exert force in various directions. When a snake wishes to move, it contracts these muscles in an intricate pattern. Intricate pattern means in a complex pattern. They contract their muscle in a complex pattern, allowing them to push against any surfaces or even to pull itself along by creating friction. So, for the specialized structure of scales or specialized structure of vertebrae, the snakes can adjust itself on any type of surfaces. Add to this the role of the scales, which are designed to grip various terrains. Actually, the scales, this is the image of the scales of a snake, and the structure of the scales are in such a way that they can grip various terrains. Terrains means an area of land. They can adjust themselves. They can grip any type of area of land. The belly scales, in particular, are larger and act like tiny paddles that help propel the snake forward as they push off surfaces. Actually, the belly scales of the snakes are larger and they work as tiny paddles, and also this help them propel. Propel means to go forward in such a way that they can push off any surfaces and they can move on. This type of features enable snakes to navigate their environment. Navigate means to travel by any means. So this type of features help the snakes to navigate in any type of environment and helps them go silently without anyone's notice, whether in trees or on land or even in water. So this was today's video, and from today's video we have come to know how a snake can stealth or can go silently through any type of surfaces, whether it can be in trees or it can be on land or even in water. If this video is interesting to you, then please give a like and share this video. Thank you for watching this video.